Welcome to this tutorial on how to properly upload a card design. When you are uploading a new card design, we prefer that you upload your design in 3 separate parts. The first part is the background of the card. The second part is any images in the card. Images can be uploaded as one layer or as multiple layers. Adding images as multiple layers is highly preferred since it makes the design more easy to adjust. The last part is any text in the card. This includes text that is being uploaded as an image, or text being added using our native text tool. When uploading text, each snippet of text should be uploaded separately. We follow this format so that we can easily make changes to a design directly from the EleCard design editor later on. We understand that this upload format cannot always be followed perfectly, so always do what makes the most sense. Thank you for watching this tutorial.